I am so excited. You know why? Because we are going into spring break. Yes! And I am ready for it to watch all of my anime. Yes! And I hope you are too. But before, I want to make sure that everybody is just as excited and ready as I am. This is an opportunity for you to one, watch all your anime, two, to do all your baseball stuff, and three, to make sure that you are ready to go when we get back. And so we're going to quickly go through your assignment. Okay, so if you just get a little bit of time in between playing Fortnite, anime, baseball, softball, tennis, whatever you're into, just do this for Miss Christie. Just do it for me, please. Yes. Okay, so you're going to go to your home page, right? I'm viewing as a student. You're going to go to your home page and you're going to scroll down and you're going to go, well, I don't have any assignments that are due, but you might. You just never know. So you're going to go to class announcements. Check me out. Who's down? Don't die. Just don't die. Okay. And you're going to say, wait a minute, TGA, because you might go to your grades, right? If you click on your grades and you see your grades right here, it'll be like, oh, wait a minute. I don't see anything. I can't click on anything. So that's a little bit of a misnomer, right? You're like, oh, I don't know how to do that. Then you go back to class home. This is how you can quickly find out what you need to do. It's very fast and easy. It'll take you like 2.5 seconds. So you go to check me out, who's down, and you go, okay, 6.05 TGA graded assignment. I might not have done that. And you'll see that it's at 6.05 and 6.06. And so you'll go up here, you'll go the unit for 6.05. You can click it, click it, and go down over here, 6.04, 6.05, up, more charts. You can click it and look, and then click right there. And you can do it. There it is, right there. And you can do that with all the assignments, and the list is right there on the front page of computer literacy with all the information that you need. So if you go there to the front page, we will get you good and ready to go for class. And when you come back, you'll be all set and ready to go. There are only 9 assignments for computer literacy, 6 more classes to go, and then you can say, hello, summer. And I will see you when we get back. Okay? All right, class. See you later. Bye. Enjoy your spring break. Bye-bye.